Welcome to the next session of private equity. Today we'll discuss on the site later in how it's work in private equity. So want VIP treatment when investing in private equity? Here is how rich can do it. So side later is a executive peak for the elite investor. You can say the aggregated or the special investor. Some LP negotiate lower fees, better rights, early access to the deal. So how it's work? So but here is a catch. A small investor never get this peak or never gets this right. The more money you invest, the better deal you get. The how the site letter work, this way it work. So site letter grant a specific LP unique rights and the special right, we can say, with a fee discount as well. What is matter helps to acquire large LP with a tailored term. So it's for fundraising, it will help. Example, a pension fund, sovereign wealth fund negotiate site letter for the lower fees. VIP investor agreement, or we can say special investor agreement. Should everyone get the same deal? Drop a yes and no in the comment section. We'll meet you on the next part with a new term. Thank you so much for watching.